Welcome to the DS Series CMS tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the primary CMS interface, focusing on integrating and managing your preferred applications. See how the DS Series CMS provides a comprehensive solution for customizing and optimizing your digital signage content. Select the source button of remote control and you can see the input source options from the display. Select the primary CMS from source menu. It will display the content management software you have set up as the default from the apps. AG Neovo pre-installed NoviSign software as primary CMS. Follow the steps on the screen to schedule the content by using NoviSign software. You can change the primary CMS to the one you prefer from the setting. You can install your preferred or existing third-party software to meet your specific needs. Just select Apps from the source menu and click Add. It will prompt you to install an APK file via a USB drive. Your customized apps will appear in the App Zone once they are installed. To uninstall an app, simply press the menu button. In the App menu, you can find Partner App Zone, which includes our partners' content management software. Those softwares have been tested and are compatible with our NSD series. You can download and install the pre-selected third-party software from here. Unleash flexibility for elevated engagement with DS Series.